Okay, so in our previous classes, we saw about the K-map. In that K-map, we saw two variable, three variable, four and five variable K-map. The K-map which is used for simplifying the Boolean expression. The K-map simplification, we saw the K-map simplification both in normal way and in by using the don't care condition. Okay, today we are going to start the NAND NOR implementation. Okay, before going to see the implementation with respect to NAND and NOR, we are about to know about the basic gates. Okay, so can anyone tell me what are all the basic gates? What are all the basic gates, students?
And
And
or not.
NAND and
And
NOR
or
are
not. And or not. These three are the basic gates. And this one is not. Okay, if I give input as A means what is its output?
A bar.
A bar. Okay, so if I go to its truth table means that this is the input and this one is the output, so that is nothing but your A bar. So I can give only one input. So if I am giving one as an input, only one input means that is the variable one means its possibility is either 0 or 1. If I give input as 0 means its output as 1. If I give input as 1 means its output as
Zero.
0. So this is its truth table. Okay. So next, so this is the NOT gate. This is the NOT gate. Next, we are going to see AND gate. And so AND gate means this is the AND gate. A, B. What is its output? I know you have already studied in your EPL lab. Tell me its output. A dot B. A dot B. So its truth table is A, its input A, B, output is, if you mentioned A dot B is equal to Y means directly you can write as Y. So if you are using two variables means what are its possibilities?
1,
0, 0,
0,
0 1
0, 1,
1
1,
0 1
0,
1.
1, 1. Okay, tell me its output.
0
A and
0
B is
0 1.
0, 0, 0 and 1.
1.
Okay. Next we are going to see about OR gate. OR gate. Okay. A, B. What is its output?
A plus B, ma'am.
A plus B. So its truth table, input side is A and B. Its output side is Y. The same four possibilities 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Tell me its output. If any
0
one of
1
its output input is 1, your output is. If any one of its input is 1, you will get the output as 1. Okay. And one more thing, by using OR gate addition, 1 plus 1 equal to 1. If it is a binary addition, 1 plus 1 equal to 10. Okay. Don't confuse both the ways. Clear? Have you understood?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next we will see. Okay. Next we are going to see NAND gate. NAND gate. So NAND gate is nothing but the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. It is the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. Its symbol is A, B. So from the symbol itself, we can able to identify that it is the combination of and not. So this is the symbol of AND gate. The bubble will shows you the inverse output. Okay. So tell me its output.
A bar A dot dot B bar.
A dot B the whole bar. A bar dot B bar kadayaduma. So its output is actually eppadi varuna like this way. A B. So you will get A dot B as an output, while it goes to a NOT gate as an input. Then you will receive the output as A dot B the whole bar. Okay, have you understood? Students, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You will go for its truth table. Your input side A, B, your output as Y, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, tell me its output. 0, 0 means
1110.
1, 1, 1, 0. Have you understood about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one is NOR gate. NOR gate. So NOR gate is nothing but combination of OR and NOT. A, B, A plus B, the whole bar. Okay? Can you able to understand? Students, can you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are having any doubt, ask me. If you understood this one, then only you can able to follow the remaining things. Okay?
Ma'am.
0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Tell me its output.
1000.
1000.
Okay. So have you understood about the basic things? Am I right? You have understood it. Okay. Shall we move to the, okay, and one more thing I want to say that NAND and NOR gate is otherwise represented as, can anyone say? NAND and NOR gate is
Universal
otherwise,
gates.
why is it called so?
It can perform basic operations of NOT and OR.
Right. So by using that point, we are going to implement the, we are going to study about the topic NAND NOR implementation. Okay, got it? So now I'm going to put a table. This is the basic table. If you understand this table, then only you can able to follow the topic. Okay, you can able to solve the problem. Got it? Okay. So actually the table is like 3 columns, but here I couldn't able to place all the 3 columns. Just I'm going to write one by one. Okay. So first I'm going to implement a NOT gate by using a NAND gate and a NOR gate. Okay. So this is the NOT gate A. What is its output? Output of a NOT gate is
A bar.
A bar. Okay, so I'm going to implement this same, that is the NOT gate, by using a NAND gate. By using a NAND gate. Okay, so in a NAND gate, see here, how many inputs are there in a NAND gate?
2, ma'am. A and B.
I'm not asking about the variable. Just tell me how many inputs you will give in a NAND gate.
2, ma'am.
2 inputs. But in a NOT gate, how many inputs are there?
1, ma'am.
1 input. So what I supposed to do is, I'm going to give the same input in 2 pins. Okay. So I can draw the NAND gate as like this. Got it? I'm going to give the same input in both the pins. Okay. So if I give A here means both the pins will receive the same input called A, and you will get the output as A dot A the whole bar. 1.1 equal to 1.1 equal to
1.
1. So according to the postulates, A dot A bar equal to A bar. So the given input is A and you will receive the output as A bar by using the NAND gate. Can you able to follow? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move to the next one? If you are having any doubt, just ask me now. Students, anybody is having doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the same, if you understood this means, the next one is easy. The same condition by using a NOR gate. I'm going to implement the same NOR gate using a NOR gate. Okay. In the same way which we saw in the NAND gate. Okay. NOR gate also you are having 2 input pins. But in a NOT gate I'm having only 1 input. So I'm going to give 1 input in both the pins. So the diagram will be like this. If I give A as an input means both the pins will receive the input as A. You will get the output as A plus A the whole bar. A plus A, 1 plus 1. According to the OR operation, 1 plus 1 equal to
1, ma'am.
1. So
1.
by using the postulates, A plus A equal to A. So its output is A bar. You are giving the input as A and you will receive the output as A bar. Got it? Students got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in your NAND and what you are going to do in your NAND and NOR operation is nothing but you are going to replace the NOT gate. Wherever you will have a NOT gate, you just replace by either NAND gate or NOR gate according to the question. Okay. Next one is you are going to implement the same AND gate by using a NAND gate as well as the NOR gate. Okay. Tell me the output of an AND gate.
A dot B, ma'am.
A dot B. So, okay. I am going to draw the, excuse me. A NAND gate, its input is A and B. What is its output? Students, can you able to hear me?
A, B, the whole bar.
B the whole
A dot B the whole bar. Okay. But I want the output as A dot B alone. If I want to remove the bar means what I supposed to do?
Again, NAND gate can be used, ma'am.
Again, NAND gate means in terms of
Ma'am, NOT gate can be used, ma'am.
NOT gate can be used. Superma. So the same NOT gate can be used, but this is the NAND implementation. We want to use the NOT gate in terms of NAND gate. Can you able to follow me? So for a NOT gate, you have the diagram of NAND gate. Excuse me. So the diagram of the NAND gate is this one. So you want to place the same diagram in the output side of your NAND gate. So the same A dot B, both the pins will receive the input as A dot B, the whole bar. Then you will get the output as A dot B, double bar. Both the bars get cancelled and the output will be like A dot B. Got it? Same thing ma. Inge enna pathingalo adedhaan. You will receive A dot B dot A dot B. Okay? We are having 2 times. So according to the postulates, you will get the output. You will write for 1 time, that is A dot B, the double bar. Both the bars get cancelled and you will receive the output as A dot B. Anybody is having doubt? My doubt irundha solluma. So innoru thadava na solren. Actually, you are using a NAND gate here. A and B as an input. You will receive the output as A dot B, the whole bar. Okay. Actually, I want the output as A dot B alone. For that, I'm going to insert an NOT gate in the term of NAND gate in the output side of a normal NAND gate. Okay. So once I place the NAND gate in the output side, I will receive the output as A dot B dot A dot B, the whole double bar. Okay, according to the postulates, I can write the A dot B value as for a 1 time. So I will get the output as A dot B, the whole double bar. Both the bars get cancelled. So I will get the output as A dot B. So this is the diagram NAND implementation for a NOT gate. Students, can you able to follow me?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody is having doubt? Students, anybody is having doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. The next one is the same AND gate. I'm going to implement the AND gate by using a NOR gate. So the symbol of NOR gate is, this is the NOR gate. So I'm going to, So if I give the input as A, B means I will get the output in the form of sum. Am I right? I will receive the output for a NOR gate in the form of sum. But while implementing an AND gate, I want the output in the form of a product. Okay. So for that, we need to give, before giving the input to a NOR gate, we want to complement the input and then give it to the NOR gate. So I want to complement it. So because of complement, I want to use a NOR gate for a NOT gate. Okay, if I give A here means its output is A bar. The input B here means you will receive the output as B bar. Here A bar plus B bar, the whole bar. It's, sorry, here you will have a bubble. A bar plus B bar, the whole bar. So here I want to break this bar, the whole bar. I want to break this whole bar means, okay, according to the De Morgan's law, A double bar dot product is converted to sum here, B double bar. Okay, both the bars will get cancelled and I will receive the output as A dot B. Got it? Students, can you able to follow me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So by using a NOR gate, you will have the output as in the form of sum. But we want, while implementing an AND gate, by using a NOR gate means we want the output as a product term. Okay. So before giving the input to an OR gate, we just complement it and we are giving the input. Okay. So for complementing, we are using a NOT gate before given to the NOR gate. Okay. So the NOT gate also is in the form of NOR gate. Okay. Can you able to follow me?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next thing is you are going to implement an OR gate by using the NAND as well as NOR. A, B, you will receive the output as A plus B. Okay. Just you are going to implement the same by using an NAND gate. Okay. So NAND gate, for an AND gate, what will be its output?
Product.
In the form of product, but we need in terms of sum. Okay. Just the same what we did for your previous one. Just you want to complement the input before giving to a NAND gate. So you will get A bar here, B bar here, and then give to the another NAND gate. You will get the output as A bar dot, excuse me, A bar dot, sorry, B bar, the whole bar. By applying De Morgan's law, we just want to break the whole bar. You will get the output as A double bar. The product is changed as sum here. B double bar. Both the bars get cancelled. Here also both the bars get cancelled. You will receive the output as A plus B. Can you able to follow me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody is having doubt na ippe கேட்டிடுமா இது புரிஞ்சாதான் உனக்கு implementation புரியும். If you are having any doubt, just ask me now itself. Okay, the same thing we are going to implement the NOR gate, sorry, OR gate by using NOR implementation. Okay, the same A, B, you will receive the output as A plus B, the whole bar, but we want to remove the bar. What shall we do?
Not, ma'am.
We want to use a NOT gate. In terms of NOR, you will get A plus B, the whole double bar. Both the bars get cancelled. You will receive the output as A plus B. Just you have implemented the OR gate by using a NOR gate. Okay. So this is nothing but the important table. This is nothing but the important table. If you know this table very well, then only you can able to solve the problem. Okay. Got it? Puridama? In the implementation purinjal, whether you know how to write this table, how to draw this table, then only you can able to solve the problem. Okay, got it? Students, can you able to follow me? Students, it is audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, we will go for the problem. மா யாருக்காவது இதுல எதுவும் டவுட் இருக்காப்பா? Anybody is having doubt in this?
இப்போதைக்கு இல்ல மேம்.
இப்போதைக்கு இல்ல. ஓகே. Okay, you will solve. So I'm going to solve a problem. The first one is A plus B C. Okay, we will go with A bar plus BC. A bar plus BC. Okay. Okay. So for this A bar plus BC, I'm going to draw the logic diagram by using the basic gates. Okay. So if I give A here means I want to use a NOT gate to get the complemented output called A bar. For BC it is in product. I want to use an AND gate. I want to use a AND gate. The input should be B and C. Then the output will be B dot C. So both A and BC is in sum. So I want to use an OR gate in the output side. You will receive the output as Y. So this is the logic diagram. So you want to mention this as logic diagram. Okay, va? Logic circuit diagram. Logic diagram na solnu. So it's a digital circuit diagram. Okay, logic diagram and solnu. In the logic diagram, now I'm going to implement the same logic diagram by using a NAND gate. Okay, just you want to replace the above table. Okay, நான் வந்து AND கேட்டுக்கு NAND implementation எப்படி பண்ணிருந்தேன், OR கேட்டுக்கு NAND implementation எப்படி பண்ணிருந்தேன், OR கேட்டுக்கு NAND implementation எப்படி பண்ணிருந்தேன். Just you want to replace the logic diagram, okay, in this basic gates. Okay, so for A bar you're having a NOT gate here. You're having a NOT gate here. Just you want to replace the that NOT gate by using a NAND gate. A bar here. Then you are having a NAND gate here. Okay, you are having an AND gate here. Just replace the AND gate with the NAND gate implementation. So its term is this is the NAND gate implementation of a AND gate. Okay, if I give BC here means I will receive B dot C whole bar. If I want to avoid that complement term, I want to use a NOT gate in the output side. Then I will receive B dot Z as it is. Then for an OR gate here, yeah, having an OR gate, you want to replace this with an NAND gate. Okay. So before giving the input, you want to complement it. Okay, so this is the NAND gate implementation of an OR gate. So see here, for OR gate, the NAND gate implementation is sorry. Okay, for OR gate, the NAND gate implementation is like this. I have used the same here. Can you able to follow me? Students, it is audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you able to follow me? ஒண்ணுமே இல்லம்மா, அந்த டேபிள்ல ஆர் கேட்டுக்கு நான் நாண்ட் கேட்ல எப்படி இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கானோ அந்த டயக்ராம அப்படியே எடுத்து இங்க போட்டுருக்கேன். வேற நான் எதுவுமே பண்ணல. I have just replaced the same whatever I did in the previous table for an OR gate. அந்த டேபிள்ல OR கேட்டுக்கு நான் இந்த டயக்ராம் தான் போட்டிருந்தேன். அந்த டயக்ராம அப்படியே எடுத்து ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். I have just replaced the same whatever I did in the above tabulation. Okay, got it? So here see A bar. Okay, I want to tell you one thing. If you have repeated non-gate function means just you want to cancel it. This is why, because if you are using a NOT gate, immediate NOT gate, I'm giving input as A here means I will receive output as A bar. Again, I will receive the output as A. So it is meaningless. So we want to cancel it. புரியுதா? எதுக்காக cancel பண்றோம்னா immediate NOT gate இருந்தனா you will receive the same output as like input. Inputல நீ என்ன கொடுக்கறியோ whatever you are giving in your input, you will receive the same as in your output for immediate NOT gate operation. So why you want to just cancel it? அப்ப எனக்கு எங்க இருக்கு immediate NOT gate function? இங்க இருக்கா? So I'm having immediate NOT gate function here. Am I right? புரியுதாமா? இது NOT gate, NAND gate. It is the NAND gate implementation of a NOT gate. This is also a NAND gate implementation of a NOT gate. So immediate ரெண்டு NOT gate இருக்கா? Students, can you able to follow me? So just you want to cancel this one. இங்கேயும் பாருங்க, you are having an immediate NOT gate. நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்கோங்க. immediate NOT gate அப்படின்னா ஒரு இன்புட், ரெண்டு இன்புட் பின்ஸ்லயும் நீ ஒரே இன்புட் கொடுப்ப. நார்மல் NAND கேட் அப்படின்னா you will give two different inputs in both the pins. Okay, நீங்க மேம் எனக்கு இங்கேயும் ஒரு NAND கேட் இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் NAND கேட் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு சில பேர் இது ரெண்டையும் கேன்சல் பண்ணுவேன். So this is the wrong one. You want to cancel the NAND implementation for the NOT while it represented immediately. அதாவது immediateனா NOT gate அடுத்து immediate ஒரு NOT gate வந்துச்சுன்னா அதுதான் நீ வந்து கேன்சல் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, நார்மல் NAND கேட்டையும் NOT gate representationையும் நீ கேன்சல் பண்ணக்கூடாது. While representing a NOT gate by using a NAND gate, you will give one input in both the pins. For normal NAND gate function, you will give two different inputs in both the pins. Got it? So appo எனக்கு என்ன ஆகும்? I will cancel this to NAND gate. Then I want to write the simplified diagram for the above. I want to draw the simplified diagram for the above. Okay, நேரா பாருங்க. Just I'm going to give the input directly to the output NAND gate. Here A, here you will have BC. And you will receive B dot C the whole bar. Here A bar dot B dot C bar, the whole bar, and immediate whole bar. Okay. if I want to break this bar means I want to apply the De Morgan's law, then I will get A. Sorry. So here I will get A dot B dot C the whole bar. For this NOT gate, I will have the whole bar. If I supposed to break this whole bar means I want to apply the De Morgan's law, then I will receive the output as A bar plus B dot C the whole double bar. Both the bars get cancelled. Then I will get the output as A bar plus BC. So this is the simplified diagram for the given function by using NAND gate. Can you able to follow me? In the explanation la na vandu edukku kuduthirukena, just you want to know whether the diagram is right or not. Okay, if you able to if you are influent for this implementation means no need to go for step by step process. That means step by step simplification, variable simplification. Just draw the diagram by using NAND or NOT, okay, and redraw the simplified diagram alone. No need to go for step by step variable simplification. Can you able to follow me? Puridama?
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining students, I just going to explain once again the same diagram. Okay, for this this is the basic diagram, basic logic diagram for the given equation. Okay, so for this NOT gate, I'm going to replace this NOT gate by using a NAND gate. Okay, see the NAND gate implementation of the NOT gate. So this is the NAND gate. This is the NAND gate implementation of a NOT gate. So I'm just going to draw the same in the place of NOT gate here. In the place of NOT gate. So in the place of NOT gate, I'm just going to draw the same. Inga irukka? Next na enna pandrena? In the place of AND gate, I'm going to replace it with the NAND gate. Okay? Appo na indha edathila AND gate க்கு நான் என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன்? NAND gate ஓட representation நான் அப்படியே இந்த எப்படி நான் போட்டிருக்கணும், எப்படி நான் இத போட்டிருக்கணும், அத நான் அந்த இதை அப்படியே எடுத்து எங்க ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்றேன்? AND கேட் இருக்கிற இடத்துல ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் நான் என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன்னா, OR கேட் இருக்கிற இடத்துல NAND கேட் இம்ப்ளிமெண்டேஷன் OR கேட்டோட NAND கேட் இம்ப்ளிமெண்டேஷன் என்னதோ இந்த இத அப்படியே எடுத்து OR கேட் இருக்கிற இடத்துல ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணிருக்கு. This is the NAND implementation for the above logical diagram. So here also you will receive the same, but here also you will receive the A bar plus BC. You will receive the same output, but so the diagram is more complicated. Okay, for anything else நீ வந்து இதே அப்படியே நீ எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்டா பண்ற, the same diagram லேப்ல நீ வந்து எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்டா பண்றனா இவ்ளோ கேட்ஸ் நீ யூஸ் பண்ணனா it is not easy to get the output because உள்ள ஷார்ட் ஆகலாம், anything else can happen. Okay, இப்போ நான் வந்து I'm having the opportunity to simplify the diagram. Okay, எப்படி நான் simplify பண்றேன் அப்படினா, if I am having immediate NOT gate in my diagram means I just can able to cancel it. That is why, because the immediate NOT gate will give the output what you are given as an input. Okay, சோ அப்போ எனக்கு அந்த இமீடியட் நாட் கேட்னு இருக்கா. சோ இது மாதிரி இருக்கிறது எனக்கு தேவையில்லை. இது மாதிரி இருக்கிறது எனக்கு தேவையில்லை. சோ இதே இது NAND கேட்ல எப்படி இருந்தா அப்படின்னா, இது மாதிரி இருந்தாலோ நாட் கேட்ல NOR கேட்ல இது மாதிரி இருந்தாலும் just you can cancel it because input என்னதோ அதேதான் அவுட்புட்டா நீங்க ரிசீவ் பண்ணுவீங்க. இங்கேயும் என்ன இன்புட்டோ அதேதான் அவுட்புட்டா ரிசீவ் பண்ணுவீங்க. சோ இது மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா just cancel it. அப்போ நான் கேன்சல் பண்ணப்போ எனக்கு என்ன எனக்கு எப்படி நான் கேன்சல் பண்றேன்னா, இதையும் நான் கேன்சல் பண்றேன். the same thing I have cancelled this NAND and NAND gate implementing the NOT gate. I have cancelling both the NOT gate function and I am going to redraw the same. After the simplification of the diagram, I will get the simplified diagram like this. Okay, just for the understanding purpose, I am applying the variable and solving step by step to get the correct output to show you whether the simplified diagram is right or not for the given equation. Students, can you able to follow me? புரியுதாமா நான் என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன்ட்டு?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ஓகே, நீங்க நாளைக்கு ஒரு டயக்ராம் போட்டுட்டு அது எனக்கு கிளாஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆனதும் நெக்ஸ்ட் மண்டே, இன்னைக்கு ஃப்ரைடே, மண்டே கிளாஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆனதும் எனக்கு அந்த வீடியோ அந்த டயக்ராம் எனக்கு காட்டுவீங்களா? நான் கொடுக்குற ஈக்குவேஷனுக்கு just try
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Just go for a bar b plus a b bar is equal to is equal to y. So implement the same by using NAND as well as NOR. NORனா ஒண்ணும் இல்ல, இப்ப நான் என்ன பண்ணணும், அது அப்படியே வந்து NOR ஃபங்க்ஷன்ல இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணணும். தட்ஸ் இட். ஓகே, இல்ல எனக்கு புரியல மேம், எனக்கு இன்னொரு தடவை நீங்க சொல்லி கொடுத்தாதான் புரியும்னா just no need to go for this. ட்ரை பண்றதா இருந்தா பண்ண வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லல, just go for a try. If you couldn't able to understand, you can't able to draw the diagram means leave it. Just but you have to try for NAND gate and you want to post in your next class. Got it?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, note down your equation. Y is equal to a bar b plus a b bar. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So students, we'll stop here and we will see the remaining in your next class. Okay.